What's going on, everybody? Welcome to JD Infinite Drawings. In today's video, we'll be drawing about how to draw faces. Also, if you're new to the channel, please be sure to hit like, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell for more drawing vlogs. So, your first beginning step is to trace the outline. Do the eyes first. What I like to do is draw the outline. It really helps to draw the outline in the beginning, because beginners can really see the full detail into an effect. And don't mind the sketches from the left side, those are just my practice sketches. And you can do the practice sketches as well just by drawing simple figures, by just drawing shapes, because all what drawing is just about shapes and relationships with other shapes. And then it goes into an advance and it begins to quickly advance into shadows, perspectives, and all that kind of jazz. But right now we're just drawing just a simple face. The face is going to be looking downward just a bit to the right, and you can see the perspective is a little bit tilted, and you can see more of the person's head as well. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys just like a few basic steps of drawing a portrait. You can start drawing geometrical shapes and using the guiding lines as your reference. Just how the relationship works altogether. A drawing is just basically shapes and harmony, all contributing to one image. And right here, we're just using the dashed lines just to guide our drawings. And as you can see, I'm just drawing cubes because it really helps getting the perspectives down when drawing in portraits. Portraits are really easy. You just have to get the basics down by just simply practicing every day of just drawing the simple stuff. Basically, the shapes that you are drawing also contributes to the whole image, to the whole portrait, basically. And that's how you draw a portrait, is just drawing by simple shapes. So right here, we're just going to be moving on to drawing a skull. And it's always great to have a good touch in anatomy, because drawing portraits is really basically about the human anatomy and just the clear understanding of it. Right here, we're just beginning to draw the eyes, the nose, and then what I'd like you to do is just draw the outline of the skull. Just get the feel for the drawing, the crown of the shape of the head. Right next to the eyes and down to the cheekbones. And then just draw some little bit of shades in there, because the shades really do bring your drawings to life. But right now we're just going to be focusing on just the human anatomy for now, and not getting the shades down. Right now, we're just moving to the skull of the mouth, drawing the skull of the mouth, drawing the chin, and then all the way back to the right side of the skull, moving on to the nose. Just begin to shade those. Yeah, it's really easy. Drawing is fun, actually. Just get the basic steps down, and you'll be drawing in no time. And that's basically it. There goes your skull. And if you just want to do some touch-up, you can. In a few moments, I'm just going to do a little bit of touch-up. Just basically just adding a little bit of details in there and just removing details. It really doesn't matter. Basically, drawing is subjective. and you can make it into whatever drawing you want. And you could also bring out the details by just highlighting the edges as well. So if you want to support our channel, please be sure to hit like, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell for more drawing vlogs, and we'll be coming out with more drawing contents soon. So thanks for watching.